Hello guys, welcome to the today's video. So we are being going through the AI generations nowadays. So the new buzz in the market is the vibe coding. So instead of the vibe coding, there are other platforms which offer the automations of the daily tasks, such as automating the flows or whatever the calendar schedules that we have that can be automated using different tools and technologies. One of the freebie that we are getting currently now is Turbotic AI, where the whatever the daily task or automations that you need to connect between the Google tools or say it like GPTs or any foundation models using a Ging face and all. So we can configure it through the Turbotic AI. So Turbotic AI is a simple platform where it is low code or no code platform where you can just type it whatever you get an idea how to automate. You just give it a prompt so that it will make everything ready for you and it will create an automated workflow for you. So today I will be walking you through this platform. So let's get started. So for timing purpose, I have already created the automation just to make sure that the video is crisp and clear and not taking too much of time. So I have see this is the home page of the Turbotic AI. So whatever you want to automate, you can just give a prompt here and just send, and your automation will be ready. So one of the automation that I have currently done is summarize the key email messages and save it to the Google Docs. So let me open the flow for you. Yes, so this is a flow that have been created in the Turbotic AI. So this will start with connecting to the Gmail account. So we have to authenticate the Gmail and whatever the Google apps that we are using through the Google Cloud API. So that will give access through your emails, Google Docs, or what are the services that you need to access through the Google. So first step will be the connecting to the Google API. So after that, after connecting to that, it will fetch the first whatever the last 20 emails that have been received in the email box. So it will fetch that 20 emails from that Gmail, and from that 20 emails it will extract the important emails, say such as you have some important mails that you might miss every day, so that kind of things and all can be handled here. So it will fetch the first like few of the important emails which has to be uh, attended, so that emails will be fetched by that, and after that it will select them and it will send it to the Hugging Face API. So here I am using a Hugging Face Facebook bot. So the bot will summarize the email and it will create some summarization text based on that emails and it will save it to the Google Docs. So I have connected to Google Docs. As I said earlier, just like connecting to Google API, you can enable the Docs API also. So after saving to that, it will end. It will come to the end of the workflow. So here you can have the code editor where you can see your old code, whatever the code is there, you can get it from here. And if there are any environment dependent variables, so we can update them here. So if any dependencies are there, that thing will be placed here, and of course the whatever the logs, what is happening, that things and all we can see, keep a track of the logs from here. So this is the whole workflow. Currently, like I don't have a much what I can say, any emails, so I just ran this automation. So it ran and it has already saved the output. Let me pull up the output. Yes, so this is the output that has been generated by this. So it has taken the OTP mail from the Turbotic AI itself, which was generated just before logging into this account. So that is the only single mail because I have given the prompt to just fetch the only one important mail due to the whatever the summarization happening in the gig phase that has some tokens limitation, so it was giving me a out of index range error. So I also wanted to show you that if there is anything that comes up like errors or anything discrepancies happening in the codes or the workflows that can be handled through the autopilot. So here we have a wonderful interface to interact like whatever uh, the errors or uh, the errors or the breakthrough is happening that can be handled by the autopilot here, or you can even simply ask if you have any doubts like how to connect to that API or how to connect to the different models from here in the interface itself. So it will give you the step by step answers for the same. So this was one of the key workflow that I have created. I was just new to this robotic AI and I was just exploring and wanted to share the same with you all guys. So thank you for watching the video. Bye.